If you're like me, you're into more than one outdoor sport, which is why a hitch receiver is a great foundation for carrying gear. And getting mounted accessories on it is easy to do. What's cool about it is that it frees up inside cargo space.
Attaching a hitch accessory isn't much different from attaching a hitch ball mount, and it's basically the same no matter what sort of hitch accessory you're installing.
If your vehicle didn't come with one, you'll need a hitch receiver. This Pathfinder already has one installed. Lift in and align the bolt hole in the receiver with the hole in the rack, and attach the hitch bolt. You do need a tool for this, but it's included with the Yakima holdup too. The bolt hole is threaded, so a nut isn't needed. Tighten up the bolts and add the safety pin and lock. There are two different options if you need to bring more bikes along. This one holds 2, and this one can hold up to 4 bikes. You can bring your skis and snowboards along with a hitch ski. After it's attached, this rack can fold up when you aren't using it. Pull the spring pin and flip it up.
Loading a bike is easy. Drop it in the wheel trays with the front wheel on the pivot arm side. Flip the arm up and lock it down.
You can still open the rear hatch with the bikes on the rack just by tilting the rack down. And it's like having a portable workbench, great for basic maintenance and adjustments. For weekend plans, a cargo basket is the perfect add-on to your hitch accessory. With everything locked and loaded, it's time to head out and use it. Keep watching for more how-tos to get the most out of your Nissan accessories.
Get that clean look and custom fit from Nissan for your Nissan.